What is feedback? The message sent by a receiver back to the source is called feedback. It is important in two-way communication. It makes communication meaningful. Importance of feedback. It helps in problem solving and decision making. 2. To enhance, to exchange idea and opinion. Number 3. Create better understanding. Number 4. Create healthy relationship. Number 5. Effective coordination. Number 6. Collecting information for good planning. Number 7. Sender can easily evaluate the receiver attitude. Number 8. Feedback can be positive or negative. Number 9. Feedback can accelerate our development.